What is up guys, Karma Medic here and welcome back to another dose. This is the new Apple Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. I did an entire video on it yesterday where I reviewed every single aspect of this thing in great detail. If you haven't seen that video already, I suggest you check it out. I'll leave links in the description down below. Now, as fantastic as this keyboard is at getting typing tasks done on your iPad, it really lacks a good way of taking handwritten notes using the Apple Pencil. You've really only got two options. The first of which is to pull the iPad close to you, tilt it back as far as you can, and write in this position. But honestly, this is just not a comfortable way to write. There's a very significant wobble when you press down on the screen, taking your Apple Pencil up and down, and it puts strain on your shoulder and your wrist while you're writing. So this writing position might be okay if you just want to circle something on a PowerPoint or make very minimal handwritten notes, but it is in no way, shape, or form a comfortable way of writing extensive notes like I do in my medical school lectures. The second thing you can do is flip your iPad upside down like this, which does put it in that writing position that we're all used to from using the Apple Smart Folio case. Now this position is fine as long as you're writing towards the bottom half of the screen, but as soon as you move your hand towards the top half of the screen and you start writing, you'll see that the weight of your hand very easily pushes the iPad down and causes it to collapse. But I have the perfect solution which makes it so that this Magic Keyboard case can be used both as a typing case and as a handwritten notes case using the Apple Pencil. And it's so incredibly easy and simple using something that you carry around with you every single day and always have on your person, a phone. You can take any phone with or without a case as long as it fits in this gap over here. Just slide it into place, push down, and you're done. Now you can easily take handwritten notes on this keyboard case on the top half of the screen, applying pressure everywhere without having the case collapse. Isn't that amazing? It's so easy and simple. Now having the case in this position means that I can take notes for long periods of time, for extended periods of time, to produce the type of notes that you see here on my screen. And that's it. This is a very quick video. I just wanted to share this hack or this find that I discovered this morning because this is absolutely game-changing for me. I can now have this case permanently on my iPad. I can use the keyboard whenever I need to, if I'm writing essays, if I'm taking some lecture notes, or I'm looking up something online. And then when I need to do my handwritten notes, all I need to do is flip it over, put the phone in place, which I'm always going to have on me no matter what, and I can start taking notes as I usually would using the Smart Folio case that I used before. So that's it. Please leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to see more content from me in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.